went to Walmart and we found the new series 21 of Lego minifigures. And I wanted this series really bad because I wanted to get the violinist because I just think it's a really cool character. And what character did you want to get, Levi?
I wanted to get the doggy.
So we're just hoping we get some good characters today. So let's get started. 3, 2, 1.
What?
You got the violin here. Okay.
This is a Two-Face character. Oh, that's cool.
So I got a dolphin person. Mine is
It's a kid.
2.
It's a kid.
I know. I like the kids. I don't think we've ever gotten a kid before from a Lego minifigure.
Nope. Never.
This character right here comes with a lot of extras.
So, this one even comes with the standing. I just can't put it on.
No, that's the bow. Maybe. Okay, so this is my character. So she has a little surfboard and paddle, and then she also comes with a dolphin piece. Do you want me to help you get this apart? Let me see.
That's on the hair. It's cool.
I know I'm putting the bow in its hand. Okay, there you go. So Levi got the one that I wanted.
Yep.
He's a little disappointed because he didn't get a dog, but we can always look for new ones and try to get the dog another time too. So, do you want to do the outro, Levi?
You can.
Okay. So, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn your post notifications on so you can be notified every time we upload a new video.
Bye.
I'm going to just show you the checklist really quick. Oh my goodness. There's some pretty cool characters here.
I didn't notice this, but there's a police.
Yeah. So this is the checklist, and that's all the characters.
Also, Graceland, you can get a horse person.